My name is William Monteith, the owner at Zenetec Collision Auto Glass and Car Wash, and we specialize in the body of your vehicle. So basically anything that you can see is what we do. All under hood or behind wheels, brakes is back to your dealer. At Zenetec, we create a better life through business by giving all of our customers the best repair possible. We carry 17 different certifications from the manufacturers directly to make sure that we're repairing your car back to a pre-accident condition. In case, heaven forbid, you get into a second accident, that your car is going to stand up the same way as you expected it to the first time, to make sure the safety for you and your family. And then on the car wash side of things, we make it affordable to keep your car clean with our membership, one price for the month, and our express interiors to maintain your car and keep it clean and healthy for the family. One of our favorite parts of the Sandbox is the meeting room space. We do leadership off-site meetings every quarter, and we've utilized the space here for about a year now, so relatively new, but it's been a great place to come, get away from the business, refresh, reset, and go back to tackle the next quarter. If you see me at the Sandbox, a couple things that are high on my interest level is running our business and getting it to the point where it's self-sufficient, and the team managing it wholly by themselves without a lot of influence from myself. Have them really operating as a team to push the needle forward on their own. And then personally, we make maple syrup just on Blake Street here, just down the street, probably about a kilometer from the Sandbox. We make about 60 to 70 liters of syrup every year, so it's a lot of fun. Come the warm weather, it's a hoot.